Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is the general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay, keep this in mind. This is general reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from 1st of September till the 10th of September. So let's start, sweetie. So your partner's current energy right now is Taurus. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, what's your partner's current energy? Your partner's current energy right now is, okay. Okay, my God. Got it. The Fool. Your partner right now is going through some kind of restart in their life, and they are just not thinking about the past, thinking about the future. Yet they are just trying to take the leap of faith with the universe, and they are leaving everything on the universe that yeah, everything is going to be fine. I am just believing the universe and everything is good. Okay, they are just ready to take the leap of faith with the universe, and they are just ready to take the risk of their life. Let me see in what regards they are doing this, but I feel like this is life 2.0 for them. They are right now in this energy of like, yeah, I will just go with the flow. I'm not going to think about the past or future or anything like that. I will just go with the flow. Might be they are just ready to have a brand new start with you in this connection and take the risk with you, but this is non-committal energy as of now. Let's clarify the Fool in their present energy, current energy. Death could be dealing with the Scorpio here. Judgment, okay. Three of Pentacles. See this, after this breakup thing between you and them, this person wants to give this connection a second chance, because the Judgment card is here, the Three of Pentacles is here. Definitely this person wants to forgive and forget everything that happened in the past between you guys, and this person wants to put in the effort, put in the energy, and wants the same from you. Okay, they want to put in effort in this connection from their side as well, and they want to reciprocate you. They want you to reciprocate to this energy. Okay, so after this breakup thing, after this there was a breakup thing, they want to have a rebirth. They want to have a reconciliation. They feel like they should have a reconciliation with you, because they still carry lots of love emotions for you. They still carry lots of emotions for you. Okay, and they want to work on this connection with you. They want to restart this connection all over again, and they want to take the leap of faith with you. You know, they want to take the leap of faith with you in this connection. They want to take the risk, but they want to go with the flow. This is non-committal energy as of now, their current energy. Okay, Taurus, let's see what's your current energy right now. Taurus, your current energy right now is, let's see. Taurus, your current energy right now is, Taurus, your current energy right now is, oh God. Let's see. Hierophant, this is you. This is you. I feel like you're trying your best to tap into your spiritual side, or you are right now feeling like I should just follow my community, follow the guidelines that the society made for me. It is like following a pattern, or following some kind of belief system. Okay, it might also be possible that you're ready to be in a married relationship or in a committed relationship. If you're already married or committed, I feel like you are feeling like I should take this relationship to the next level. Might be you are planning for kids or something, but for most of you, I feel like you are trying your best to tap into your spiritual side and seek the answers from within. You are going through some kind of transition in your life, transformation in your life. Okay, let's clarify the Hierophant in your current energy, Taurus. Let's see. Let's clarify the Hierophant in your current energy. Let's see. The Temperance card, the King of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so you are right now trying, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. You are trying your best to balance your emotions, balance your water, and balance your life. Emotional balance. You're trying to seek emotional balance from within. Okay, and you are very passionate right now regarding your money. You are very passionate about your work. You are very passionate about someone as well, but I don't feel like it is like you are trying to focus on the emotional side of your life right now. I feel like you're more focused and more passionate about making money, and on your business, on your job, on your work, whatever it is. Okay, so I feel like you are trying to balance your emotions, you are trying to tap into your spiritual side because you are trying to be emotionally balanced. And after being emotionally balanced, I feel like you're highly passionate about your work, about your money, about your job, you are trying to take some kind of risk in your job area or in your career sector, and trying your hard, trying your best, you know, to do good in your life, trying to tap into your tap into your spiritual side, to look out for things. I feel like you are over focusing on your financial area right now because you are feeling like emotional area is very disturbed and I don't want to deal with that right now. So you are trying to shift your focus towards your money area. Cool. Let's see what your partner feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see what your partner feels for you. Ten of Wands. I feel like this person is not ready to give up on you. Although they feel like this relationship is a burden on them, whenever you guys are together, it creates some kind of burdensome situation. Either you are like feeling like this relationship is a total burden, and or they are feeling like this relationship is total burden, but they are not ready to give up. They are ready to take the responsibilities, they are ready to take all the shit that is coming with you. Okay, but they are right now feeling under so much pressure that they are not able to cope up with the responsibilities that is coming up with this relationship, but not ready to give up at all, not ready to give up on you. They are not ready to give up on you. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Wands as their feelings for you. This man or woman is under tremendous pressure, and they're taking so much of responsibilities. They are like, as soon as they feel like I should give up, there's certain kind of energy that pushes them towards you again. They feel like, yeah, I can't give up on this person. Okay, this Taurus is mine. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands. Let's see. Three of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Queen of Swords. My God, lots of swords, lots of swords. This person is completely heartbroken. I'm telling you, Taurus, completely heartbroken. They're shattered, but they still want to come towards you, and they still want to rush towards you, and they feel like they're concealing, they're trying to hide their feelings for you, but they're not able to do that. Okay, they are not ready to give up on you. They're completely heartbroken, completely shattered. They feel like you broke their heart so many times, you broke their heart so many times, and they are not able to understand why the hell they are still so much attached to you. Obviously this person have lots of love for you because I feel like they are not giving up on you, not giving up on you at all, not able to give up on you. Actually, that this is the correct sentence that I should say. And they want to rush towards you because they're very clear now. I feel like they are using their mind over their heart, and their mind is constantly telling them, no, this person is not right for you, you are heartbroken because of them, you're like that, you're like this, and blah blah blah. And their heart is telling them you still love them, you still love them after all this shit that they, that they created for you, or you created for them, whatever the mutual energy of shit. Okay, still this person is not ready to give up on you, having lots of emotions for you, Taurus. Okay, got it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What this person wants from you, Taurus. Let's see. They're shattered, completely shattered, not ready to give up on you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. Eight of Cups. Either they want to walk away, or they want you to walk away, or they want you to walk away from somebody else or from something else in your life. Okay, I will check that out, but I feel like this person certainly want you to walk away from something or someone. Okay, they certainly want you to do that. Okay, because they feel like there's something in your energy that is toxic and that's not good for you, and they want you to walk away from that something that is very toxic for you. They care for you, and that's why they want you to come out of the situation. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups in as they want from you. They want you to come out of this disappointment or depression or dissatisfaction in your life. Let's clarify further. This person loves you, they care for you very deeply, Taurus, even if they're not showing it. Three of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles and the Five of Cups. What kind of want is this? They want you to walk away from from somebody and have a reconciliation with them and have a brand new start with them, because they are deeply missing you. They're deeply missing you. They're deeply regretting what they did with you in the past, or what you guys did with each other in the past. So they want to have a reconciliation. They feel like you should walk away from somebody right now, and you're not doing good with somebody right now. I mean, you're not doing good with yourself right now, and you should walk away from toxicity and negativity or something or someone who is not good for you, and have a reconciliation with them, okay, with your person, and have a brand new start with them after this reconciliation, after this, let's restart this connection all over again. They want to have a solid committed relationship with you. They want to offer you something solid in their life, because this person is missing you very much. They are deeply, deeply, deeply missing you. But I feel like this person is feeling like, more than missing you, they feel like you're depressed, you're sad, and you're doing something very wrong with yourself, and that's why they want you to, cut out the toxicity and cut out the, wrongdoings. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing right now, they want you to come out of that situation. This person deeply loves you, okay, and they want you to be happy. Now this is very beautiful energy. They want you to come out of this situation, okay, Taurus. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of September, Taurus. Let's see what's coming towards you till 10th of September. Ace of Swords, a brand new beginning. A brand new beginning is after, I feel like after lots of fights, conflicts, and I don't need you, you don't need me, and blah blah blah. I feel like there will be a successful, victorious start in this connection again. This is going to be very difficult to restart this connection, but this is going to be a successful, a victorious start after hell lot of conflicts, hell lot of fights, and hell lots of ifs and buts and blah 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 and all that. Finally a successful start, a victorious start is coming in your life with this particular person, whomsoever you are dealing with. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. The World, the Fool, Nine of Wands. Yeah, they feel like a cycle is completed between you and them, and a cycle is completed in both of your lives, and they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you. The Fool card is here, but again this is non-committal energy. They just want to go with the flow, and I feel like this person feels like that this should happen, but they are very deeply hurt. They are feeling like a wounded warrior right now. I feel like this person is not going to tell you like how much they love you or care about you, but they are going to stay with you. It's like contradictory energies are there in their environment, in their aura right now, okay. They are ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side. They want to restart this connection. There will be a victorious restart in this connection, but I feel like beneath the surface, beneath the beneath this restart, there will be lots of pain and lots of agony and lots of anxiety and stress and all that negativity, okay, because they are feeling like, yeah, a cycle is completed, I will forgive and forget, and you should forgive and forget, and you should just restart this connection and don't think about the past or future or anything like that. Just go with the flow. And again, I feel like this person is deeply wounded and creating some kind of walls against them. They are going to feel like, I'm not going to love this person again, but they love you deeply. They feel like they should not do that, but they are falling in love with you again and again, and giving you chances, giving you more and more and more and more chances again and again and again. Yeah, I feel like this restart is happening, like might be fifth or sixth time right now, with like within within this connection. Cool. So Taurus, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye. Namaste.